Hi, in front of me I have FITBIT Charge 5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply double tap on it like this. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick settings. Here, scroll up by swiping down on the screen like that. Find the option called Settings and tap on it. In Settings, tap on Display Settings, and here we have Brightness. And to adjust the brightness, we can simply tap on the Brightness option to toggle between a few options. We have Dim, Normal, and Max. Dim, of course, is the lowest brightness. Normal, it's the middle one, and Max is the maximum brightness on the screen. And once you're done, simply swipe right on the screen to go back. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.